Hey guys, I wanted to show you this really awesome bag strap that I got. I got this bag strap to replace an old one on my diaper bag, and I love how it just spruces it up. I love the colors on here, if you look, and it comes in a variety of colors. There had to be like 10, 15 different colors you can choose from, so there's a color for everyone. There's some patterns, some plain ones. This bag strap is super high quality, you can tell. It's actually like a little stiff, which is great because you have to work it in, it's not going to fall apart. It's going to be really sturdy for you, especially if you're carrying around a little bit heavier things. The hardware in the end, really nice, very sturdy also. I love how this part rotates. That way your bag's not going to get tangled on you or anything. Just moves with you as you're wearing it. It has a clip here. Like I said, this is great material. Super nice. It is fully adjustable. So you can make it however long. You can use it as a crossbody strap. You can just use it over the shoulder. So let me go ahead and put on my bag and show you how it looks. So as you can see, my bag is a little worn, and sometimes you just want to spruce it up, make it your own, show your character a little bit, your personality. So it clips on just like that. Like I said, it's fully adjustable, so you can have it shorter if you want. Crossbody, it definitely gets long enough for that too. This is beautiful. I absolutely love the material, and it's actually very, very soft right here. So it's going to feel good on your shoulders. So you can put it over your shoulder. You can wear it cross. It's not going to dig into your neck. So like I said, if you are looking for just a nice bag strap to spruce up anything, maybe you want a longer one that's a little bit more adjustable so you can make your bag a crossbody bag, this is a wonderful option, and there's one for everyone.